rapid weight loss techniques. Other than physical appearance, weight affects a person in many ways. This could be the overall quality of life, self-esteem, depression, health risks, and physical incapabilities. There are a lot of positive changes once a person experiences weight loss. It is for this reason why a lot of people are searching for a weight loss technique that will surely trim down those fats and get a super slim head turner body. The first thing that an overweight should do is seek a doctor to recommend the best weight loss regimen. This will be done after a full physical examination, which leads to the determination of proper weight loss technique. So to lose weight fast and effectively, 4 aspects of life should be changed: what to eat, how to eat, behavior and activity level. First, fast weight loss composes of a multifaceted technique that consists of mindset, exercise, and in other cases, diet supplements. Begin by learning a diet food plan that can easily be accustomed to. Incorporate an exercise plan that allows even at least 15 minutes a day, like brisk walking, running, swimming, and dancing. Second, set realistic approaches. The ability to focus and have a proper mindset enables someone on a diet to quickly lose those extra pounds. With discipline and proper mindset, a dieter will never be discouraged and lose focus. Third, listen as the body speaks. Each and everyone's body metabolism reacts differently to different fast weight loss programs and plans. Try substituting one program for another to compensate for the body's reaction. Exercise program must be suitable to one's body, as others are not able to exercise as rigorously as others can. If walking is all that can be done, then walk, for this is proven the best exercise. Muscles burn more calories than fats, so it's also best to put on a little muscle and looking good too. Fourth, eat more fibers, for it makes a person full sooner and stays in the tummy longer, slowing down the rate of digestion. A single serving of whole grain bread moves fat through the digestive system faster. Grains turn into blood sugar that spikes the body's insulin level. Thus, making the body more energized and ready to tell the body when it should stop burning fats or start storing. Fifth, keep away from fried foods, especially deep fried, as this contains a great amount of fat. Although fish and chicken appear leaner than beef, this white meat can contain more fat than when a beef is fried. It is recommended for those on a strict diet to opt for grilled food, as this does not have or contain less amount of fat after the food is cooked. Sixth, takes lots of fluid. Drinking at least 6 to 8 glasses of water a day keeps the body refreshed. Since weight loss depends on how the body eliminates body waste, the body must stay hydrated. All in all, discipline and consistency is still the best practice and the key to a rapid weight loss success. Light dieting, workout, and the right amount of supplementation applied in a regular way every day will result in faster weight loss than having a massive action only to be followed a return to old habits as this would. Only lead to gaining more weight than when the weight loss plan has started.